Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this really cool Sony under cabinet CD player radio to show you. It's something that everyone should really have in their home. But before I get into that, did you know that CDs are actually a superior audio format to most of what people listen to these days? Yeah, CDs are actually 4 times as clear as most audio formats that you'd get these days. But now that we talked about that, let's go ahead and get into this. So we'll go ahead and plug it in real quick and then show you how it works. So what makes this device so special is you can install it in your kitchen and then just plug it into a power outlet and then you have music. So we'll go ahead and load a CD. And it'll come with these 3 pieces of hardware so that you can just stick it in there. It's really easy to install. And these spacers right here make it so that you can adjust how high it is from the shelf so it can fit in there real snug. And then this is the original remote for it. It has a waterproof design because you're going to be using it in the kitchen, so it'll prevent you from getting food or water inside of the buttons. And then you can easily mute the music at any time with the muting button. You can go through your presets if you have some presets set already. You can switch to AM and then to FM. You can press play and go back to CD. You can adjust the volume, skip tracks, and then on the front panel here, you have a timer, so you can set a timer if you want to. I just set a 4-minute timer. And then you have your preset buttons 1 through 5, your volume adjustment, tuning buttons or track skip buttons. A radio button, off button if you want to turn it off, CD button, and then play mode so that you can adjust between repeat, shuffle, and continue. And you can get this in white or silver. And then on the left side of the panel, you have a clock and DST button. The DST is so that you don't need to adjust the time when the time changes by an hour. So that's pretty much all there is for this Sony under cabinet radio. It's really cool. You can stick it in your kitchen, in the bathroom, somewhere in the backyard, in the garage, wherever you want to put it and have music ready to go. It'll fit perfectly. If you want to order one, you can check it out on our online store or you can give us a call.